Oh, this is mint. Whee! See guys, now excuse me. See guys, now I'm not sure whether what I'm about to do is a good or bad idea, but it is a Saturday afternoon. The weather is absolutely insane, and I thought I've got to go out on the bike. And I thought I don't just want to do something you've all seen before and I've seen before. So I thought I'll go look on Google Maps on old Goggle and have a look around and find areas. And one of the areas I found is something called Lyde Green BMX. Cheers, mate. And Lyde Green, I like riding around Lyde Green. It is absolutely lush. It's like a new massive area of new houses and green stuff, hence the name. And we've ridden through it a couple of times on the channel, but we've never actually stopped there. So I thought, let's change that. So I went on Goggle Maps and found Lyde Green BMX Park. And I thought, let's have a little look. We're right down there. Have a little look. See, I was about to say see what the fuss is about, but I've never heard anyone talk about it, so I can't say that. But see what it's like, and also see if I can do any of the track on this. And I'm just realizing now that I've left my sunglasses at home and there's bugs and shit flying in my eyes. That's no fun. But yeah, so I thought, let's do that. Google Maps says it'll take about 26 minutes to get there. And I don't believe that. Now I won't waffle on too much on our way there. Or I'll try not to. I'm now realizing I'm waffling about waffling, so yeah, maybe I will waffle. Now all this really is at the moment is my way to work. This is the way I ride to work. Oi! That was the pedals on the floor. I bent over a little bit too much then. Or should I just lifted my right leg up really? This is where the bliss of an electric bicycle comes in. Absolutely mint, just flying uphill like this. Now I hope the camera gets how beautiful it is right here. Especially in the sun, it is insane. See, I like people like that. Give me a smile when alright, mate. None of these cycling Karens. Now I realised recently I can go straight over these. Big tyres. What I always do find funny is how everyone that knows in England, we drive on the left, we walk on the left, we cycle on the left, but as soon as they get on a cycle track, they just cycle on whatever side they bloody hell want. Like, it's okay to just creep out and take over someone, obviously, but yeah. Here we go, another couple of people just stood right in the middle. more white. It attracts bugs, man. I'm literally covered in these little gnats. But white reflects the sun, so I didn't want to be roasty toasty. You know what I mean? Way. Trying to get some tan on these legs. We're 8 minutes away. It doesn't feel like we've been riding for 18 minutes, that's for sure. Not a cloud in the sky, peeps. Look at that. Woo! Poor guy panicked a bit then. Bloody flies. Get out of my mouth. As you can tell, it's very similar, it's almost identical so far to the way to Costa that I did the other day. Just basically follows the Bristol Ring Road, which isn't too bad. Past David Lloyd Centre, where all the rich folk go to get their muscles. Let's get on the road, shall we? Try not to run people over. Now we can actually see our destination now, coming up on the old goggle. This is about where we saw the baby on the corner. But as new kind of housing goes, it's pretty good around here, isn't it? It is pretty nice. Interesting. Adventure. Never been down here. Well, we're here. I was half expecting more people, to be perfectly honest with you. But there doesn't seem to be a big amount. I reckon it's because I only just found out this thing exists here. So maybe I'm not the only one. You alright, mate?
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah.
How fast does that go then?
This one will go about, with me on it, I'm a big old guy, about 21.
Does it?
Yeah, about
Really?
21. But someone fitter than me probably go about 23,
Yeah.
24. Yeah.
And what, is that just the battery? Is it? No.
This is the battery here, so that's just a bag with just my stuff in. Yeah, yeah, but
Cool. He's
yeah.
mint, isn't he?
yeah,
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
I've seen nothing like that.
yeah, it's quality for like this kind of stuff because it's got dirt tires on it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it?
And it's great, you know the grids on the cycle track.
Yeah.
This one could just go straight over it. Yeah, so
Yeah.
yeah,
Stop you on that. Like,
yeah.
yeah.
But
You've
yeah,
got to pedal it to make it electric.
yeah, you can do it in two ways. So it has the typical electric bike pedal assist,
Yeah.
or there's a
Oh, it's on his own.
yeah, it'll go on his own, which is quality for hills.
Yeah.
Hills, amazing.
And how long's that battery last then?
This battery, if you put it in like the middle setting,
Yeah.
about 40 miles.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
So I usually just have it on its maximum and it'll do about 25, 30.
Is that right?
Yeah,
Oh dear, oh dear.
because I changed recently. I only ride to work now because I used to drive, but I ride to work now instead. So
Well, to be honest, you've got a bit of traffic to do.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a beauty, that.
Yeah, cheers, mate. I'm gonna see if it can handle this now. Yeah. Hey, mate, you alright? Think this will handle that? Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
How much are
About £3 grand. Quite a bit. Any advice?
they? No.
Go slow on my first go?
Yeah, just get used to it and then
Yeah.
you can do whatever you want, really.
Right. You ain't got rear suspension either, have you?
No.
Is it bumpy?
Ish.
Let's give it a go. Oh, this is mint. Wee. Cool. Wanna go?
What on?
This.
Probably crash.
Don't worry, I won't charge you for it if you fall off.
I used to have a motorbike, mate. I was rubbish at it.
Yeah.
I could not control the throttle on it. I used to I got called Superman. I'd be like falling off. That's what I mean. I stuck with quads.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 wheels safer.
Yeah, I wanted an on-road one a few years ago.
Yeah, they're quite cool.
Yeah.
I don't go very often. I've only just come down just because it's a nice day.
Yeah. Lovely day, innit?
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah, I've never been down here myself.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
It's a football field there, is it?
Yeah.
Cool. Sure you don't want to go?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Stick to the pedaling.
Yeah.
You can pedal it alone as well if you wanted to,
Yeah.
but it does have a throttle as well.
How fast do they go?
This one goes about 25. Yeah. Don't mind being on YouTube? No. I thought there'd be more people here.
Yeah, I did as well.
Yeah.
I will go, but it's just I don't want to hit anyone.
No, I don't want to hit them either. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hardly control myself on the bike, let alone hit these kids.
You should, like the berms part are there. They like you go into it, but it like kind of like it takes you like up into the top of it.
Yeah.
So it's quite hard. You need to kind of go on like an angle to keep.
Yeah.
It.
Yeah, because I had to put my foot down at the top there.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
Electric Awesome is called.
I don't know if I have internet, but
Yeah.
when I get home.
But yeah, the video will probably be up today or tomorrow. So if you subscribe, you'll be able to see yourself on it. But yeah, I come off it about 3 weeks ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
What, quite bad?
Yeah, disc hit my knee, sprained my ankle. It was wet, it was raining.
Yeah. Not the best time to ride it.
No. I was late for work though, so I was trying to get there quickly.
Put your finger. What happened? You take your hand. You go round, do you?
Go on then, you first, I'll follow you.
Let's just figure into it, shall we? Do it properly. Breaking your back.
Oh, he didn't put his leg down that time. Whee! That is very cool. I think I found my favourite place. Oh, it's cool.
What's it meant for?
This?
Yeah.
Everyday commuting, really?
Right, okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, it's like obviously it's electric, isn't it?
Yeah. So I take it to work.
Nice.
Because I used to drive every day, but now I just take this, and I get to work faster on this than I do
Okay.
because of the traffic. Bristol
Yeah,
traffic's
I
horrible.
used to cycle and it was
Yeah.
quicker for me to cycle a town than it is to.
Yeah.
Well, no, I have to park on the feeder because my car's not Euro 6 or whatever.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Nightmare, innit? Yeah.
It's like 25 quid a park.
Yeah.
Day, so,
Yeah.
I need something like that.
But this will do in this medium setting about 40 miles,
Right. Okay.
and it costs because I put it on the smart meter,
Yeah.
and it costs about 7 pence to charge up. Yeah. So when you compare that to fuel costs,
Yeah.
and the thing is, I got a gas guzzling car, so
Yeah.
does about 19 miles to a gallon, something like that. So yeah.
Why fast would it go if I'm high?
With me on it, about 21. Yeah. You can avoid, because I don't want to do it, but because I only got it about 4 months ago, and it's got a 2-year warranty. But after the warranty runs out, New Gen, who make the bike, they send you the code to unlock the thing, and it'll go about 30 then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So would it go quicker to go downhill or not? Would it like?
At the moment, no, because it does like braking, kind of like engine braking, but in an electric way. So it'll go up to about 25, and then you'll feel it. It feels like you got the back brake on. Yeah, and it'll stop you just rolling endlessly. Yeah. I think the only way to avoid it is if you turn it off as you're going down. As you're going down the hill, just turn it completely off.
Use it as a bike.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a bit of a weight to carry. Though.
Yeah. 32 kilograms this thing weighs.
It's compact, isn't it?
Yeah. It's really cool. Because I had to replace a few parts on it a couple of weeks ago because I fell off.
Oh no.
Yeah, in the rain.
Oh, what, the green pedal's not standard?
Yeah, great. Everything that comes on it usually, it's just, this is the black one, so it's just all matte black usually. But I record it for my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel colours are green, so I thought I'd yeah. So I thought
Right, you want to go around again? Go on then. Doing the back in again then now. Right. Go.
God, it is hot. But anyway, cheers, buddy. I'll catch you around probably. I'll probably see you here another time.
Yeah, probably.
But yeah, make sure to subscribe and you'll see yourself probably later today.
Alright.
Alright, bud?
Yeah, we'll do.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a coffee now, I think. Waiting rooms. Catch you later, pal. Take care. See, I'm not being funny, but how good was that? How cool was that? Everyone was so welcoming, man. And that kid, I didn't even ask his name. If you're watching, bud, and you got YouTube, leave a comment below and be like, that was me. My name's Fred. Or whatever your name is. I doubt your name's Fred. If it is Fred, that was an amazing guess. Right, let's go and get a nice coffee. But that was cool. So very cool little BMX track. This does it perfectly. So if you got a bike like this, go on down there if you live in Bristol. And secondary to that, I want it quiet. Just it's nice and quiet, man. I don't think a lot of people know that and know that that's there. Maybe I shouldn't be advertising it. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. It has been an absolute pleasure once again. And remember, as always, stay awesome.